articulate the issues of governance and of relevance to both women and men, because that's what gender is all about. And a number of issues have come up, and we're looking at them. And we have the last meeting I just attended now has to do with partnership and adding quality and value to partnership. Was a front burner issue in that meeting, and I'm sure that the world will not be the same if we leave this meeting having shared our minds and begin to tell each other exactly how we feel. Unlike the past when NGO talk to themselves and government talk to themselves, but now there's a synergy and there's a meeting point at which the government and the civil society, we are beginning to see reasons why we should work together, because the government always have their own protocol and different bureaucracies that they stop their work. The civil society we don't have, but we know that, and we are the grassroots. So this meeting, has been quite very instructive for both of us, and we know that now there will be better relationship for both government and the civil society in moving the world forward, in terms of development and governance.
And do you think there is a lot of benefits to Africa out of what has been discussed so far?
Yes, in actual fact, that was what interested me the most, because about 4 sessions that I attended, I was happy to find that people from the West, people from the North, we are articulating issues that have to do with Africa. You can imagine, somebody saying that, we're talking about clean energy, we're talking about what to do, but there are communities in Africa where many of the women go to, develop, are not able to access education because they don't even have light, because light promotes education. In fact, that interests me the most. And other people talk about, the women don't even know that they need light for what they do. If you go to a community and you begin to find out, okay, what problem do you have? The African woman will not really tell you that, I need light for what I do. So this meeting has come to really, because a number of people who are here are technocrats. They travel around the countries of the world, and they were representing African issues, and it made it very easy for us to now parley with them.